What's poppin', what's shaking, what's baking, what's the go word, everyone? My name is Afro Mark, and today we're making the Paloma. For this Paloma, we're going to be using 2 ounces of tequila, 2 ounces of grapefruit juice, 2 ounces of sparkling water or tonic water, and about ½ an ounce of agave syrup and ½ an ounce from this lime.
So say, you won't take blame, even when you are blowing up. Oh my, you're my broken love. Nobody's gonna save and oh my, you're my broken love. So come on, let me show you how. Some things never change. I couldn't stop and say enough. It's all the same, but you won't take blame, even when you are blowing up. Oh my, you're my.
That's how you make the Paloma. As you can see, we did a salt rim, so you did that by taking a lime slice, running it over the edge, and then patting the glass into some salt. That gives us a nice rim. We also garnish this with a lime. If you like to see this drink, you want to see other drinks made, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. And now I'm going to bring on one of my guys, and he's going to let you know how it tastes.
Here we go, the Paloma. Tropical.
So come on,